Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome back in our online GK class. I hope you have learned your previous exercise and all the question answers of Crack the Quiz. Correct? So today we will study chapter 12, that is 7 Wonders of the World. Please take out your GK book and open page number 17. Page number 17. Children, in this chapter we will study about 7 wonders of the world. Please take out your book. Chapter 12, 7 wonders of the world. The first wonder is Machu Picchu, Peru. It is in South America. Machu Picchu is located in Peru and Peru is in South America. Second, Great Wall of China. It is clear with the name. It is located in China. Third, Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. It is located in Brazil. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen Itza is located in Mexico. The Colosseum, Rome. Taj Mahal, Agra. Taj Mahal is located in Agra city of India. Petra, Jordan. Petra is located in Jordan country. So children, we will study about all these wonders of the world. I will show you the book, the pictures of the wonders closely, and I will describe about the wonders of the world. Okay? So let's start reading. Please take out your book. Children, now you can see chapter 12, 7 wonders of the world. You can see the pictures of the wonders 1 to 7. Let's understand them one by one. Okay? The first one is Machu Picchu, Peru. Yes, M-A-C-H-U, Machu, P-I-C-C-H-U, Picchu, Peru, P-E-R-U. It is 8,000 feet up from the sea level. 8,000 feet, or I can say 2,430 meters. In meters it is 2,430 and 8,000 feet, I can say. It is 8,000 feet up from the sea level. It was built in 15th century. Okay? And it is situated in Machu Picchu district in Peru in South America. Peru is in South America. Okay? Second, the Great Wall of China. You can see the picture of the Great Wall of China. It is in China. It is an ancient wall in China. It is called Great Wall of China. Children, it is made of cement, rocks, bricks and powdered dirt. It was made to protect the north of the empire of China from enemy attacks. इसको एनिमी अटैक्स से बचाने के लिए बनाया गया था. ओके. द लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल इज 21,196 kilometers. How much? 21,196 kilometer. It was the length. And the height of the wall is varies everywhere. Somewhere it is 6 meter, somewhere it is 7 meter, and it is up to 14 meter. Okay. The third one is Christ the Redeemer. Christ, Christ the Redeemer, Redeemer, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer. It is a statue of Jesus Christ. You can see. It is a statue of Jesus Christ in Brazil. It is Rio de Janeiro. In Brazil, it is in Rio de Janeiro. It is known as second Art Deco statue in the world. The height of the statue is 130 feet. The statue is 130 feet long and 98 feet broad. And the weight of the statue is 635 tons. Okay? And where is it? Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Okay? Next. Fourth. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen, Chichen Itza, Mexico. Itza, Itza. It was one of the largest Maya cities. It is located in the eastern portion of Yucatan state in Mexico. In which state? Yucatan. Yucatan. Yucatan state in Mexico. Clear? Next. The Colosseum, Rome. The Colosseum, Rome. Colosseum, Colosseum, Rome. It is situated in Rome, Italy. Okay. It is world's biggest amphitheater and it is also registered in Guinness Book of World. It is one of the Rome's most popular tourist attraction. Okay. Next. The sixth wonder is Taj Mahal, India. You must know about Taj Mahal. Where is it? Yes, it is in Agra. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. And where is it? It is in Agra. Correct? The seventh and the last wonder is Petra, Jordan. Petra, Petra, Jordan, Jordan. Petra, Jordan. Right? It is famous for its rock-cut architecture. It is famous for its rock-cut architecture. You can see rock-cut architecture. It is also called Rose City. Which city? Rose City. Because of the color of the stone. You can see the color of the stone. Pink and red. Because of the color of the stones, it is also known as Rose City. Right? It is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. Okay. इसे रोज सिटी भी कहा जाता है स्टोन्स के कलर की वजह से. You can see the color of the stones. Okay. So this was the last wonder. Now we have completed this chapter, chapter 12, 7 wonders of the world. Okay? So children, we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood all the topics of 7 wonders of the world. Your homework is you have to learn the names of the 7 wonders of the world. Okay? So I will come back in the new video with the new chapter, and the new video and new chapter will be more interesting than this chapter. Okay? Thank you.